Right. Hello and welcome. Thanks for clicking on the video. I'm just about set up. I'm night in the woods, well needed, and I'm out with Mr. Burton Outdoors. You right?
Yeah.
Haven't seen each other for a while.
It's had sweaty, a little bit humid, isn't it, in these woods today?
Yeah.
Yeah, when was the last time we met? It must be Roundabout Camp, I think.
Yeah. Link it up there.
Link in the description.
And got a special guest. Some of you might know I had some gear from outdooressentials.co.uk, and I got the man himself here. Thought we'd come and meet him. Hello. This is Carl.
How are we doing?
Good. You right?
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Meet up.
Yeah.
Been chatting a lot.
Yeah.
Got a lot of the gear. Done a lot of reviews for me as well, which has been awesome.
Well, you know, free stuff and all.
Got free stuff. You got.
It's hard to say no. What you got there? Is that a bungalow?
Yeah, a little bungalow. The little White Hills. I think you used it the other month, but
I almost
they give it
brought
to me
mine
test.
actually.
Yeah, I thought I'd use that. Got a little ice flame quilt.
Oh, they're good. They are.
They're good, they are, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah, proper good.
Yeah.
So yeah, nice little setup. Lovely little woods you got us down to today.
Yeah, we're in my permission somewhere in Surrey, and yeah, Cole's cooking me dinner.
I know. Dinner for a chef. Now he tells me.
No pressure. No pressure. And yeah, a few beers.
A few beers already.
On which note, I've been offered a beer, but I'm going to have a fruity cider. Yeah, there's a bit of noise going on at the moment. The the farmer's in the next field. I don't know if he's cutting the grass or something, but there's a tractor going up and down, so if you hear an engine, it's the farmer, but he doesn't mind us being here, so we're all good. Oh, I just walked into a cobweb. But yes, I'm going to crack open my fruity cider and just socialise with the chaps for 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm quite partial to these old moat jobbies as my first drink of the day, because they're not very strong and I'm going to be doing some soaring and stuff, so I always like to hold off on the booze till I done all the dangerous work. So just a nice refreshing little drink to start the weekend as soon as I've had a busy week. So I'm going to get my saw out and cut a tree down. But don't worry, it'll be a dead tree. Right, it's time to get some wood, because Carl is cooking and he's going to need a fire, so just need to pick out a dead tree from the abundance of dead trees that are in this little woodland and drag it up there, and we'll get some sort of fire going. That looks about perfect. You see there's 3 here, 1, 2, they're both dead, and then the one leaning on it, that's dead as well. So I'll see if I can get all 3 of them. I just got to figure out which one to cut first. I wonder, oh, that's actually might just be pushable. They've got some shallow roots, these ones. At least it's safer to cut. Okay, there's one. Little hole there, I'm not used to it.
What?
Probably just for now. We'll just use all the damp stuff later. How dare you? Right, that's wood cut. I found this existing hole which something's dug, so I'm just going to clear it out and we'll use this for... Oh, it's a frog. That freaked me right out. He's a little toad. I wonder if he dug the hole. Let's put him somewhere safe. Put him down in there. Go on, you get down there, mate. So anyway, yes, we'll use this hole that someone else has dug, and something else has dug, and I'll just extend it a bit, and that can be our fire pit for the night. And then we can, if I dig it out a little bit more, we can cover up the ashes in the morning once the fire's out.
I've got a grill to go on top, but if it goes more sort of long ways, maybe.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
just so I can cover it up in the morning. Right. Split a couple of these down, then we're ready to light a fire. Oop. Steady. Right. Right, that'll do. A little bit of twiggy stuff. Right. Okay, so we're ready to rock. I've got something to play with that I bought it on eBay. It's this fire rope, and it just sort of came up as a suggested thing. It's just pieces of rope. You're meant to be able to just sort of split it apart and kind of fluff it up and light it. So we'll keep the rest and we'll just play with this bit, shall we? See what it does. Comes apart nice and easy. A closer look. Yeah, this is just one little strand. I'll probably be quite wasteful with it, but we're just I'm not sure if it's wax infused. I've never tried it. It might be a pile of crap, but we'll see what it does. Just play with this for 5 minutes. And that's okay like that. That's quite fluffy. That might be enough, and then the rest might catch, but let's see. Just keep doing that for a minute. That's pretty cool.
I think it's called something like that. Yeah, something like that. And
check it out. I like it.
Yeah, but no, it has to be in it. I suppose the dollar stock's company, you know, it's easy to say if it was sort of sticking. Yeah, that's what I said before. I like that Trev. You know, nothing still. He just keeps it basic. You avoid the flash, and he's really shot up. You know, when he was sort of like, oh yeah, can't quite count. Nothing really big coming anywhere else. So
Yeah, I can't remember how much this cost. I think it was like £4 or £5 or something. I just thought it'd be fun to play with, and works pretty well. I think you're supposed to be able to light the end, you know, and use it as a lighter, and then kind of blow it out or cut it off. But yeah, good fun.
I watched a few, and then I was kind of like, still. So I remember when.
Right. There we go. Time for a beer, innit? Right, so chef, what's for
It is a bit of a classic.
What's for supper?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Nice.
We got some garlic bread.
Nice.
We got some s'mores for dessert.
Ooh.
Feast.
Cool.
Gonna cook up in a mo.
Thank you. Fire's
yeah.
ready for you.
Happy days.
Look at the size of that grill.
It's a beast.
You see that? It's massive.
TJM Metalworks, absolute legends. Got it out to me in time for tonight.
Shout out them.
Yeah, we'll link that up. You know what I actually forgot?
Unlucky.
I have
A dream.
maybe I might have a spare one. I might do. A little one. A little one. I've got a water boiling pot. I've got a zebra one. Billy, whatever you call it, Billy can thing. Because it's like fast action. It's like, it's like Joe 90, isn't it? Yeah. Or Thunderbirds.
Who's too low?
My son's clothing brand.
Nice. Couldn't get one that fitted you.
The skinny look. No, he just gave me a medium because the last medium I got from Ash Outdoors UK actually. Shout out my boy Ash Outdoors.
He's a gay icon.
He's a gay icon. The last one I got from him.
He's a curly
from
gay
Ash,
icon.
Nathan was doing the same hoodies and the medium was fine.
It's very interesting.
Yeah. Bye.
Right, so yes, I'm going to get my chair out and I'm going to crack open a beer, and Cole's going to cook supper, so I'm done. I'm done for the night. Goodbye. Right, well, dinner's on. and it looks nice, doesn't it? Bubbling away. Big thanks to Cole for cooking. It's usually my job when I'm out with Lee, because he's a lazy f***ed up. But yeah, let's go and talk to Cole a minute. So Cole runs. Tell us about yourself. You run
Outdoor Gear Essentials.
Outdoor Gear Essentials.
It's lightweight gear, 3F UL tents, lounge hands, nature hike. We got a bit of Lixada, Sofern, just some light gear. We'll import it all. Ice flame quilts. Yeah, basically order from us. Next day delivery. Eco packaging. Just literally on the end of an email or a text message, we can get back to you.
And I'll put a link down in the description to the online store. Yep. And yeah, any issues, give Cole
we can just
a
sort
message.
it out, yeah.
And
any information you need, any technical spec, yeah, we got all the details. So just give us a bell.
There you go.
Absolutely.
And you got a YouTube channel too.
Got a YouTube channel which is I think now South South Coast Outdoors UK.
There you go. I'll put a link to that as well. As well as Mr. Burton Outdoors. We'll put his in there as well for good measure. But yeah, go check out Cole's store. Go check out Cole's channel.
Yeah.
And but yeah,
nice.
Appreciate your cooking. It looks lovely.
No, love a bit of cooking. Absolutely. Got to taste it first. So
yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine.
See how we go. Alright.
It's perfect. Give yourself a rest.
Just do. There's plenty more. Well.
This is lovely.
Do it with a spoon. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Do you hire the camper vans, do you?
Yeah. We went up on the what's it called? Sleeper train.
Yeah.
I think what it's called now, Caledonian. Went up on that, and then picked up the camper vans. They were just outside Inverness.
They say you should do it in reverse, don't they? So you get all the best views on the way back.
Yeah, we did it that way around, but it wasn't busy. Everyone was going, "Oh yeah, it's really busy and can't get in, you know, because people can't go abroad." But it was fun. Everywhere we went, we got in. Dunnet Bay was nice. Dunnet Bay was amazing. We went swimming in Dunnet Bay. That was like sand dunes. Campsite was right on the edge of the sand dunes. It was, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just literally got up about 8 o'clock, went for a swim. It was amazing. There's like sort of 4 or 5 people on the beach that was like 2 miles long.
Yeah.
I used to go to Scotland when I was younger. I just used to go on the National Express. Cover myself in beer so no one would sit next to me.
No, we went up to see some friends. The kids, it's been about 10 years ago I suppose. Kids were sort of 7 and 9-ish.
Get shove it in your mush. Okay, it is.
1, 2, 3.
It is 12:20, and yes, a merry evening is being had. Dinner was fantastic. Thanks, Cole.
Why are you shouting?
Apart from I dropped the pasta everywhere.
Dinner was nice till he dropped it all on the floor. We had to eat leaf litter.
Why? I ate the leaf litter. I took one from the team in a leaflet. What are you talking about?
Oh God, I'm struggling to hold my camera. Yes, it's been a pleasant evening. Yeah, I'm gonna go stick my camera in people's faces.
Dan, you want your top up?
Yeah, go on, why not? Why not, mate?
You gonna leave that in, are you?
Well, I don't know what I'm leaving in.
Gurning face.
Right, let's go and see some people. Are you ready?
Don't. Just don't go there. If you want to keep sane.
I'm bored now. I'm going.
Bye.
So, Carl, what are you doing?
We're doing hobnobs.
What doing?
Hobnobs with a knife. Try not to come.
What knife you got there? Oh,
That.
I don't care.
It's
I
a
don't
family
care.
tradition.
No, I don't care.
Oh,
I don't
anyway.
care.
It's family
You
tradition.
need to cut your face off then.
I know.
I'm gonna take
Because it's hobnobs. Oh no, you like COVID, don't you? So.
I like
I'm not,
COVID.
I like
did
COVID.
you say?
Yeah.
Dan loves COVID.
I won't
Thanks, mate.
touch it.
Thanks. Oh, I think that's it. I'm done with filming. I've got a hobnob.
I dropped biscuit all over my best top. Well, it's not a top, it's a puffer jacket that's not. It's not got down in it at all. 0 down. Thanks very much, bye.
Good morning. I'm not well this morning. So, yes. Ended up a drunken mess last night. So, I'm going to make this brief and then I'm signing off because my head is throbbing. Yes, beers were good, food was terrific, and then the wine started and yeah, it wasn't a good idea. There was extra bottles flying around and I kept saying yes to having my glass filled. So yeah, I woke up in the small hours, or probably about 5 o'clock I'd imagine, and had to get up for a wee. I was cold because I didn't do my sleeping bag up, so I just fell into it, and yeah, and then I threw up. So good, all good. And yeah, I need to go and lie down in a darkened room now. So I'm going to see the boys, say good morning, and then I'm packing up and going home.
Morning.
Morning.
Alright.
Yeah. How did you sleep?
Yeah, good actually. For what, 5 hours? Went to bed at 2, did we? About 2?
Something like that.
And I woke up for wanting a wee, but literally just went straight back to sleep. And actually woke up at 7, so 5 hours for me in a hammock. That is pretty good.
You seem pretty chipper this morning.
Yeah, I actually feel alright. It's definitely the way forward, that hammock, compared to the front line.
Yeah.
DD front line, but yeah, no, I'm sort of fallen back in love with hammocking, I think, but it's just the faff that I don't like of setting out. But yeah, no, yeah, good sleep, pretty chuffed. Could have been worse.
Yeah, you could have been throwing up in your tarp.
Well, there you go.
Right, say goodbye.
Bye! Love you, bye.
Yes, there's no hanging around. I've got things to do today. Lee's got to be somewhere. So there's no leisurely sitting around, which is what I kind of need right now.
How we doing?
Morning. How did you sleep?
Good, good, alright, but hanging this morning for sure.
Yeah.
A bit better than you did, I think.
Yeah, I'll be alright in a couple of days.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No, it's good camp. Cheers for the invite.
That's alright, no worries.
Lovely little spot. Good night.
Yeah.
Wicked.
Those last couple of glasses of wine done me up.
The last bit, that's it.
Yeah.
Top over the edge, isn't it?
Yeah, because you were chatting away sensibly, and then all of a sudden...
That was it. I was just like, no, this is not good.
Yeah.
And then it was, yeah, I'll go to bed.
Yeah.
Game over.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you for coming.
Nice one. Appreciate it.
That's it, I'm incapable of any more conversation. So that's it, I'm turning you all off and I'm going to pack my stuff up and go home and try and do some blooming gardening. Thanks for watching, see you later.